Watch our new tutorial for an easy yet spectacular casual hairstyle. Create a deep side part, then grab a strand from the front and divide it into two. Place the left strand over the right strand and create a knot by pulling the top strand through the hole. Grab a new piece of hair, which will represent the new left strand. The original strands and knot will be used as the new right strand. Place the left strand on the top of the right strand and create a knot with the same technique. Go on with this pattern until you reach the back of the head. Secure the braid with an elastic.